Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. Today we will dive into the world of data recovery using BitBlast's robust recover functionality. Let's navigate to the familiar backup section within your BitBlast platform. This time locate the tab dedicated to restore. This is where you will initiate the process of recovering data from your existing backups. Here what you will typically need to provide: storage provider. Select the storage provider where the chosen backup resides, cluster name, choose backup ID, specify the name of the server where the restored database will reside. Ensure the servers can handle the incoming data. Once you have filled out all the details within the form, click the Restore button. BitBlast will initiate the restoration process, retrieving the selected backup and restoring your database into its state at the chosen backup point. BitBlast will effectively handle the data transfer and restoration. Upon successful restoration, BitBlast might redirect you back to the backups list page. By leveraging BitBlast's restore functionality, you can effectively recover lost data from your secure backups. Remember, regular backups and a robust restore process are essential for ensuring business continuity and data security. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.